Can you see yourself working as a physiotherapist, interested in kinesiology, or might want to apply to med school in the future? If so, then Trent's health, life science, and medical area of study is for you. Hi, I'm Rob, an enrollment advisor here at Trent University and a proud graduate. I chose Trent because of the opportunities for course-based learning and hands-on experience both inside and outside the classroom. When you choose one of Trent's health, life science, or medical programs, such as kinesiology, biomedical science, or a medical professional stream, you'll gain hands-on experience towards a career that you're interested in the future. Through our medical professional stream, you'll gain access to volunteer opportunities, experiential learning, and MCAT prep that will all help you for professional streams, such as medical, dentistry, and optometry, just to name a few. Do you have any questions about our health, life sciences, or medical programs here at Trent? If so, feel free to reach out to the recruitment team. Email us, text us, or see us in person at one of our 2 amazing campuses.